Greetings to all learners. I welcome you all to this video session. This is the course introduction video where I would like to highlight the problem solving and Python programming course. This code is GE8151 is an Anna University under the regulation 2017. As far as the syllabus is concerned, it has the 5 units, 45 periods, that is 45 hours, 3 credits. Each unit, 9 hours are reserved. As far as the first unit is concerned, the algorithmic problem solution. So in this unit, the learners will learn and understand what is algorithms and what are the building blocks to construct algorithms like statements, state, control flow and functions, and how to represent the algorithms that using a pseudocode and flowchart, and what are the programming languages and all available like this students will learn, and followed by how to solve the problems and what are the methodologies, strategies available for developing algorithms like this will learn. And after that, the students will get an idea to find a small numbers, largest numbers like this in a list, and how to insert a code in a list, and like this. Okay, the different what is called programming logic also will learn in this unit. Especially the Tower of Hanoi is a fantastic technology will understand. And once completed this unit, students can develop algorithmic solutions skill to solve the computational problems. And as far as the second unit is concerned, data, expressions and statements, it has several data types, especially like that is integer, float, boolean and string. As far as the string is concerned, very strong what is called data type. You will be surprised when you are studying about the string, because string has many features. We will look and study this later on, and followed by some operators and the functions. As far as the function is concerned, is a very important one reason, because it helps us to decompose the complicated problems into subtasks, subfunctions, so that we can solve even a complicated problems very easily. So these are the things students will learn in this unit 2. And some illustrative programs also, how to exchange the values of 2 variables, how to circulate values of n variables, and how to find the distance between 2 points like this. Some what is called methodologies, illustrative problems we will learn. And as far as the third unit is concerned, the control flow and functions. Here, okay, we will study functions very deeply. And the control flow is nothing but, okay, it is a conditional statements. The conditional statements like if, else, elif and like this. Some conditional statements will study. And the very important thing is, as far as the Python program is concerned, no switch statement. That learners needed to understand this. Okay, and in this fourth unit is focusing list, tuples and dictionaries. These are very powerful tool in Python. It is also called as compound data, and this special data types used in all applications, so that the fourth unit is a very important topic where we are going to focus the strength of Python with the help of list, tuples and dictionaries. These are called as Python comprehensions also. And in this fifth unit, we will study files, models and packages. It is called file handling mechanisms. So in this model, we will learn how to read the data from a file, how to write a data to the file, and like this we will learn. And one more thing is, during this process, let us consider if any problems rise. That means, what do you do when something bad happens in your program during execution? I am trying to execute, trying to read the data, I couldn't read the data. Or when I trying to write the data into the file, imagine that I am not able to write, what will happen? At any cost, the program should not be terminated. For this purpose, the Python has the great mechanism called exception handling mechanism. This is a built-in function. So with this function, so if any errors happens, the error will be catched and will be communicated to user. And like this, so we will study. So in the 5 units, okay, the different concepts which we discussed, we will study. And these two things are textbooks, and I will give the material, so that will help all the learners to understand the Python programming and can practice also. And once you completed the course, the students will gain this knowledge like this. This is called the course outcome. So upon the completion of the course, students will be able to develop algorithmic solutions to simple computational problems. It is a K3 level, so it is under that is apply level. So applying the fact, rules, concept, ideas like this. And next achievement is the students can read, write and execute the Python programs. And not only that, the students, learners can structure the Python programs for solving the problems also. And the fourth outcome will be, so using a function is a great idea. Very complicated, complex problems can be decomposed and creating a small problems to find the solution. So students able to decompose a Python program into functions to solve the complex problems. And as far as the fifth outcome is concerned, students represent compound data using list, tuples and dictionaries. And the sixth outcome will be students able to read and write data, and he can write data to file or read data from file is possible. So like this, so 6 the course outcomes students will be benefited. So even though, okay, if you are covering that is the entire syllabus, students may not able to develop the skills related to industry demand. So that's the reason why this course would like to bridge the gap between industry demand and what students developed skill during this course. So that's the reason why we would like to conduct a few webinars and workshop to develop their skill, so that the students can dominate, can work, can perform very well at the industry level. So for this purpose, we would like to conduct data sciences using Python, machine learning using Python and deep learning using Python. Like this, 3 workshops and a few webinars we would like to conduct. During these workshops and the webinars, we would like to use the packages like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, scikit-learn and TensorFlow. So these are the packages, the great packages developed over Python students will able to learn. So these are the course introduction about the problem solving and the Python program. My dear learners, so watch all our remaining videos. We will launch periodically. Watch the videos and develop your skill. Good luck. Bye.